Hey everyone, I'm Corey Rogers. Here's your digital learning team tech tip. Ever get lost in a sea of tabs like my screen? Well, I'm going to share 2 quick tips to help you make this a little more manageable. First, you can pin tabs that you use a lot. For me, that's things like Gmail, my calendar, Drive, and Google Keep. So if you navigate with your mouse up to your tabs, what you can do is right-click on that tab, and then from the menu choose Pin. It's going to take that tab, move it all the way to the left, and keep it there for you so you can always find it. You can pin multiple tabs, and then what you're able to do once they're there is organize them into the order you'd like them. So if I click and hold, I can make sure my calendar is second and my keep comes next. I can grab my drive and move it here. If you accidentally pin something like I did, I can right click and unpin that. So no matter what happens, I can find those high interest tabs. The other thing you can do is you can make tab groups to connect and collapse like items. So what you can do is find an item, right click on that, and then instead of saying pin, this time we're going to say add tab to a new group. I know that this is for some computer science work I'm doing, so I can give this a label and then assign it a color. What you're able to do now is add additional items. So I can right click on this, I can say add to a tab group, and I can either create a new group or add it to existing one. I can also click and drag tabs into that group to quickly add them without having to use my mouse. So you can go from this mess to this with tab groups. If I want to see what's in a tab group, I can click that label to expand it. I can access the information that's in there, and then I can collapse that tab group to make my view look a lot more manageable. Want to know more? Please reach out to your Grantwood AEA Digital Learning Consultant.